Hello guys, let's start NX 12.0 for uh, for starting 3D modeling and 2D modeling. We need to select new. You can also use a shortcut key, that's a control N, uh, and then we need to select what you want. For modeling, select model and then model, and after that assembly, uh, we need to select assembly. Let's we start from model and then click model and then OK. It takes some time. I don't know why my system is getting slow. uh, uh, it's not taking that lot of time. Let's start. For There is a three plane, yz plane, xz plane and xy plane. For uh, taking a plane, we need to, for starting a sketch, we need to click on sketch. Yeah, you can select any plane you want. It's auto selected xy plane. You can select uh, other plane from here, which plane you want. You can select this plane, specify. You can select this plane also. It 0 mm. Yeah, and then enter and then select this vector. Yeah, select this and then specify point, then this. Yeah, and then OK, and then OK, and then OK. Yeah, OK, and your plane is ready for sketching. There are some commands. This is a profile command for making a continuous line. This is a rectangle command for making a rectangle. This is a line. uh, Both